Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today we are diving into a critical topic for digital health innovators: the medical device classification system for software as a medical device, or SaMD, in Saudi Arabia. The kingdom's healthcare sector is undergoing a massive transformation under Vision 2030, creating immense opportunities for medtech. However, market access hinges on navigating the regulations set by the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, the SFDA. Understanding their classification system is the first and most crucial step. The SFDA's framework is modern, risk-based, and harmonized with global standards from the International Medical Device Regulators Forum. It classifies SaMD into 4 categories based on the risk they pose to patients and public health. Class A represents the lowest risk, while Class D represents the highest. The core principle driving classification is not the software's complexity, but its intended use. Let's look at some practical examples. A Class A SaMD could be a simple mobile application that stores medical data like X-ray images for a physician to view later without altering or analyzing them. A Class B device presents a low to moderate risk, such as software that analyzes diet and activity data to suggest lifestyle changes for pre-diabetic patients. The stakes get higher with Class C. This includes software that provides critical diagnostic information that directly impacts treatment. For instance, an AI-powered tool that analyzes CT scans to detect early signs of cancerous nodules would be a Class C device. A mistake here could lead to a delayed or incorrect diagnosis with serious consequences. Finally, Class D is reserved for the highest-risk SaMD. This would be software that controls a life-sustaining device, like the algorithm in an automated insulin pump or a controller for a cardiac defibrillator. A failure in Class D software could be fatal. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A company developed a sophisticated AI algorithm to predict the onset of sepsis in intensive care patients. They assumed it was a moderate-risk Class B tool because it only analyzed data. However, because its output was intended to directly guide urgent clinical interventions, the SFDA classified it as a Class C device. This change meant the company needed to provide substantially more clinical evidence, undergo a more rigorous quality management system audit, and prepare a far more detailed technical dossier. This single determination significantly impacted their budget and timeline for entering the Saudi market. It highlights that a deep understanding of intended use and its regulatory interpretation is non-negotiable for success. Navigating the nuances of the SFDA's requirements demands local expertise and a clear strategic approach. For companies looking to bring their innovative SaMD solutions to Saudi Arabia and the broader MENA region, expert guidance can make all the difference. To ensure your market access strategy is built on a solid regulatory foundation, you can contact the team at Chen-Global. Email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.